everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you recently purchased an Angel baby carrier, first of all, thank you so much for supporting my business, and I'm so glad that you're here because I'm going to be showing you how to use your baby carrier properly to get the most comfortable fit for you and your baby. When your baby carrier arrives, it's going to be coming in the box and the top part is going to be up. The reason we keep this up is because by doing so we're able to get the most compact fold inside of the carrier box. So when you get your carrier, be sure to get this part and then just unbutton it and then put it down to this button right here. So it's going to look like this. But right now my carrier comes in 3 different colors, which is this gray color, we have this beautiful cream, and then we have this beautiful black, the cream, and the gray. I'm going to be using the gray carrier today to show you guys how to properly use it to ensure a comfortable fit for you and your baby. So here's the front of the carrier. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put this down, get this band, and it's going to go on my waist right here on your natural waist, and I'm going to buckle it and tighten it. And this is where the waistband goes. It comes up instead of being folded down. It's going to be folded up like this. You're going to bring baby up to your body. Make sure you have one arm on baby's bottom, like so, at all times. I'm going to grab the bottom of the carrier and just fold it up like this. Get him a little seat right there. Again, one hand is always on the baby's bottom and back, like so. I'm going to get my first strap, put it around my shoulder. My hand right here on the baby's bottom. Grab that strap. Wow. And then I'm going to bring it over to the side right here. And buckle. Make sure you hear that click. And now I'm going to get my other strap, fold it over, and we're going to be buckling it right here into this buckle. Now that baby is in the carrier, we want to do a little bit of adjusting. So I'm just going to be pulling my strap up, which is this side, and then it tightens over here on this side. So I'm going to pull that out and pull it straight. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm going to get the strap, pull it up, pull this out, and then pull this straight back. Okay, here's a look at the back. When you front carry baby like so, you're going to want to crisscross like this in the back. If you feel you need more support for baby's back and neck, that's where you can unbutton this part. This, fold it up. You can either button right here. You can do one side or both sides. I'm just going to keep it down for now. With these straps on the side, you can roll those up. It comes with a little elastic on the side right here. You can get that, fold it over, just to get that strap more out of the way. How to get your baby out of this carrier. So you're going to start by always keeping one hand on baby's bottom right here, and then just simply unbuckle the side right there. Hand goes on the bottom again, pull this strap down, unbuckle this side, hand on the baby's bottom again, pull this strap down, and then grab onto baby. Pull him up out of the carrier. If you feel this seat is a little too wide for your baby or you need to do a little bit of adjusting, here on the band there's some Velcro, and you just pull apart the Velcro. You can pull this down. You can do that to adjust the seat. And then this part is what is going to be going on your waist, so you're not going to see that Velcro. It's going to be right here on your waist. To get it back to the regular position, you're just going to pull that up, put it back into place. My baby is a little over 1 year old, and so I've used it all the way out. I haven't needed to adjust it. Here's the carrier. Here's the front part. Most carriers, the band goes down right here, but that is not the case with this one. The band does not go like this. Instead, it flips up like that for a much more comfortable experience wearing your baby. So the band goes up like that, and then the carrier comes up like so. Baby's legs are coming out through the side right here. And that's how it's to be worn on the front and the back. I absolutely love back carrying in this baby carrier. I'm going to show you how to put baby on your back. So you're going to put this band on your waist. You're going to bring these straps forward, and you're going to buckle them right together on the side like this. You can tighten it in a little bit, but I'm going to have them a little bit wide for the start. So they're both going to go. Okay, so both straps are buckled to the side like that. Your Angel baby carrier comes with this little attachment right here, and this is just for back carrying. I'm going to unbutton it. On the strap of your carrier, you're going to have some webbing right before adjustments right here. You can put this in wherever you feel it's most comfortable on your chest. I'm using it on the second notch up, so this is up right here. I'm going on the second one up, which is this one right here. So it's going to look like this with the button right there. It's going to go on the other side right here. The strap doesn't glide as easily as the webbing does. We wanted to have this be matching with the carrier with the same fabric. What you do is pull a little bit of that fabric through like that, and then you're going to pull this part up. So I'm going to snap that together. I'm going to bring my baby to my body, bring the carrier up, pull that over my head, and to take my arm out of here and just slide baby around. This one, he's going to go under my arm like this, pull him to the back, and then I'm going to get my arm through here like that. I'll put my arm through the other strap. Now that I have my sides all secure and adjusted, I'm going to adjust this top part by pulling the fabric through like this, however tight I need, and then pulling this one back. This is how you're going to be wearing your carrier when you back carry. So he's in, he's all secure. Feels comfortable, it feels good on my shoulders. This feels secure holding it together. This is how you're going to wear this carrier to back carry. You're not going to cross it because it is not going to be comfortable. Here's how baby looks on my back. And that's how you get him in the back carry position. To take baby down and to get him off, I'm just going to unbuckle this right here. Grab hand on baby's bottom. I'm going to take one arm out, and then I'm going to just glide him around me like this. Pull this one off. So he's right in front of me again, and then pull this down, and baby is out of the carrier. My baby already fell asleep in this carrier. He was so tired. But I wanted to show you how when you're front carrying, I mean, you can do this, but you're not going to have as comfortable of a carrying experience versus taking these off right here and crossing them in the back. This carrier was designed by me, and I made it to where you can cross it in the back to front carry like this. I'm just going to buckle this one. For the way that this baby carrier was designed, you're going to have a much more comfortable experience crossing these in the back when you front carry, and then pulling them over the front and using the attachment when you're back carrying. I hope that you're loving your Angel Baby carrier. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you learned how to properly wear your carrier to have a comfortable experience carrying your little baby. So baby is sleeping right now. I'm going to be pulling this flap up and buttoning it to the top right here just to give him a little more head support. This is not going to be covering his mouth or nose. You want to keep that airway open at all times. Just up to give his head right here just a little bit more support. I've used all of these carriers equally. I love them all so much. I feel like each of them complement my outfit. They make me feel pretty while I'm wearing my baby, and they're super comfortable. I feel like all of these colors are so pretty. I can't choose which one is my favorite. Let me know in the comments which color you guys like best. I've washed all of these as well. The fabric washes up super nice. You're going to want to wash it by itself in like a washing bag, or just by itself inside your washing machine. I would recommend non-toxic detergent because your baby might be sucking on the fabric right here or just touching it with his mouth or something when he turns his head. What I would recommend doing is laying it flat or hanging it to dry. So machine wash with non-toxic detergent and then hang or lay flat to dry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a great explanation on how to comfortably wear your baby in your new Angel Baby carrier. And thank you so much for your purchase and for supporting my business. If you haven't gotten yourself an Angel Baby carrier and you are interested, check out my website. It's going to be linked in the description. Also check us out on social media at Angel Baby Carriers on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.